Hey everybody, this is a quick video on how to do mail merges into email. We'll do a separate video on mail merges into documents. So big difference from Word or Office is that in Google you start in the spreadsheet. You don't start in the document or whatever. You start from the spreadsheet. And this is just some data we've collected with a timestamp. It has an email address, it has a first name, it has a last name, and then it has columns topics 1, topics 2, topics 3. So I'll show you what we do. You're going to go to add-ons and you're going to click on add-ons. You're not going to have the add-on installed, so you're going to say get add-ons. You're going to pick FormMule, crazy name. But that's it. Click on it, accept the permissions, or click your identity and then accept the permissions along the way. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do that. I'll leave you to do that on your own. So once you have it installed, then you're going to go to add-ons and go to FormMule. When you go to FormMule, you'll hit the launch key. You'll hit launch. And you first come to the first sheet asks you what sheet, what is your source data? Our source data is sheet 1. If you have multiple tabs, you'll have to tell them which tab you want it to operate on. Once you do that, you're allowed to have, it gets very complicated, or it has it can be very sophisticated. You can have multiple email templates and do different templates based on individual responses. We're not going to do any of that right now. We're doing the most basic one, which is 95% of the time what you do. So I hit save the templates, and now I'm going to edit. And when I hit edit template, this is where I'm going to build what the email is going to be. And you're going to see every column header in our spreadsheet is going to become a tag. It looks at those and gives you the ability to tag it. So this is how we're going to build our email. It's a pretty basic email editor, but so in the to field, I'm going to use whatever is in the email address column. And just by clicking that, it puts that in there. And I know that the mail merge in Microsoft works very similarly, where they tell you all the things that you can add. So on the subject, you're just going to freeform this, and I'm just going to call it training sessions. And in the body, I'm going to use tags as well. So here I'm going to say dear, and I'm going to say first name. And so one of the things that FormMule does a little bit annoying is it always appends the text of the name. So you see that I have highlighted there, first name colon. It always does that. It's annoying. Sometimes it works out for you. Sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it didn't. I could have alternately just done this. Okay, I don't have to press the buttons over here to do it. I can just go first name. You just have to be exact. All right, there's first name. Below are your training sessions for next Tuesday. And here I'm going to pick just topics 1, and this is a case where the text is good to have that topics 1 because I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to hit return. So there, topics 1, topics 2, topics 3. Thank you for signing up. Whoa. Okay, And that's it. Pretty simple it's pretty simple email. And again, what the carrots and the name does is it goes to that column in your spreadsheet, and for each row, it's going to take all the data, right, in the first row for the first email, and all the data in the second row for the second email. And it's going to go to the column names, and so it'll go right down this list. So ours should say Dear Jane, Dear Greg, Dear George, Dear Kelly, Dear Bonnie, right, in that succession. So let's preview this thing. And I see this is row 1, and looks good, is exactly what I wanted. And now I'm going to go to the next one. There's row 2. Well, that looks good. There's okay, even George, who only has 1, it still looks okay. Kelly only has 2, and Bonnie is an overachiever. She has 3. So there we go. When I like this, I hit save and send. It actually gives you one more preview where you can see what the mail actually looks like. And you can scroll down. Tells you what row number from the spreadsheet. You can see what it looks like. Looks good. So I'm going to send that, and then we can go look in email to see what it actually looks like. I sent them all to myself. I put my own email address in there. So I'm going to go over here, and there we go. There's Bonnie's. There's the email I just sent to Bonnie. All right, quick review. Oops. Quick review is you go in, remember you go to add-ons. This is FormMule. The first time that you have it, it'll say setup, and it will walk you through. Once you have edited or created and you want to go in and edit like I'm doing now, you just go to the review the templates, and there we go. There's the email I wrote. If I want to make any changes to it, I can make changes to it, right? And then send it again, do it again. So that screen, that is FormMule. Hope this helps.